Hi, I'm Mary, and if you would like to learn more about keeping a warm and cozy home and garden and have it be very welcoming to your guests, full of hospitality, then you're in the right place, and you might consider subscribing to my channel. So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you the transformation and the reveal that we did with my daughter's kitchen. Now, earlier I posted a video that showed how we took an old vintage kitchen hutch and painted it to transform it into a beautiful farmhouse style hutch. So we got that project done as we've been working on her kitchen, because her kitchen had a very Tuscan look to it, which you will see in the next video clips. And we spent about a couple of weeks actually working on it slowly, getting it changed over into a more farmhouse look. So let's get on and take a look at what we did. Let's take a before look at my daughter's Tuscan kitchen. As you can see, she has white cabinets. Over her sink, she has a valance that is kind of Tuscan looking, and then this light element that has grapes that light up. And then she has a gray and white granite countertop, which is nice. And she also has stainless steel appliances, also nice. But as I said, she has gone with this Tuscan look in her kitchen. And so the walls were painted sort of a terracotta color, I guess you might call it. And you know, she has a wine rack up here on her refrigerator. And then she has a very nice island here with a gray granite countertop, you know, that matches the others in her kitchen area. And then she has these brown bar stools at the island. And they have sort of a brown microfiber seat. Over here on this wall, which is painted this terracotta, she has a painting, and this cabinet here where she stores a lot of her extra plates and bowls and things like that. And then coming around here again, there's her fridge again, and she did have some sort of Tuscan looking little pictures hanging on that small wall to the left of the refrigerator. We've already taken those down and patched the nail holes. But in any case, there's the look at her kitchen, the before look. And of course, we're going to be painting and changing out some of the decor. And you'll be very surprised at how this kitchen can be transformed into, you know, more of a farmhouse, light and spacious type of look. Here we are now with the kitchen painted. Not only did my daughter paint the walls, she also painted the ceiling the same light gray color. It looks so much brighter in here. You can notice she also took down the valance that was on her window and simply has the white blinds. One big change to her kitchen that is just fantastic is that, if you recall, she had those brown bar stools. She found a set of 4 black bar stools on Facebook Marketplace for $80 for all 4. So $20 a piece, just incredible. And one thing she likes about it in particular is that the seats are wooden and they won't get so dirty and be very easy to clean with her little boys sitting on them and eating. And then coming around looking at this wall over here, you can see also a very nice light gray color. And she still has this same cabinet here, but we're going to be changing that out with another Facebook Marketplace find, which we'll talk about. She still has lots to do. You can see patching on the wall here, and of course it's a brown color, which she's planning to paint. But that's where we are so far. Here's a final look at my daughter's kitchen, and as you can see, this side has not changed significantly. We do have a fall dish towel here on her stove. And I wanted to be sure to share with you the star attraction. If you happen to watch my video from earlier about our transformation of this old kitchen hutch into a brand new piece of furniture, I'll just give you a look, and I'll put a card in here for how we transformed this piece, just in case you're interested, because oh my gosh, it was a steel and a secondhand thrifted piece that we just turned into a beautiful new storage hutch for her kitchen, because you know this is a small kitchen. So I'm just taking you to have a quick look of the decor that she placed in there so far. And if you look there in the right side, you'll see a folio for recipes that I actually made for her last year for Mother's Day. Up on top of the hutch, we don't have a lot of decor yet. We do have a lantern and a sort of basket pumpkin for the season. And here's maybe a full look of the hutch. And you can see that over there on the wall leading into the hallway now, it is painted gray as well. So we're making progress on her new home decor. It's really looking good. Everything is improving and looking so bright and cheerful.
So I certainly hope you enjoyed this video and the fun we had making my daughter's be, you know, more to her taste the way it is today. And I hope to see you again. Happy fall!